did that ever ring my fucking head? Jesus Christ.
It's right there.
Another one that you shot out front.
Fuck it.
Oh!
Find it?
Yep, there it goes right there.
What's the fucking chances of that?
Good girl.
Take him.
I hit him the first one.
hit him
Yeah,
the
you
first
did
one.
hit him the first.
Now you got me.
Did it?
My ears just fucking ringing, man. Oh yeah.
Can I get him?
Yep.
Good job, Jake. Where you go? Wait, Brandon, she's right there. Hurry it up. No more shooting.
Yep, yep.
Keep calling those ones. Keep calling
Here
them.
they
Keep
come.
calling. Watch the dog.
Yeah. Take him, Jake. Here it comes, Dad.
Coming right over. You got him. You got him, Davey?
Don't see this.
Oh,
He-
sorry.
Try him.
Got him.
Left side, left side.
As
Go back, guys. Oh, yeah, a couple. Rip them, guys. Rip them. Shoot them. Take them out. Fuck. Fucking G.
got two of them over here.
Gotta clean this gun.
Now you go.
Fucking
One
jammed.
might come back.
Oh, did it?
Oh, there they are, two of them.
Yeah, a bunch of them. Here they come.
Get ready, Ashley.
Take them.
Fucking mother.
Oh, how'd I miss that one?
Oh,
Fuck, I don't know how I missed that. Here they come, maybe again, Jake.
we got one. I don't know where he landed though. Wait, no, those are seagulls actually. Don't shoot those. Where did that one go?
Yep. Nice fucking shot,
Fuck
man.
yeah, Jake.
Nice shot.
That was good.
Where did the other one go? We had another one land. Or like
Yeah,
drop.
we have.
Take them. Take them. Get that one if you can. Take them.
I couldn't even get a shot.
Davey, oh, get him, bud, get him, get him.
Take him.
Holy fucking sniper, Jake. Holy fuck.
Did I get one?
Fuck, I didn't get my gun to my shoulder for fuck's sake. Slow down some, bud.
It's so exciting.